Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to get unlimited free traffic and how to promote your affiliate link using unlimited free traffic. This traffic you can use it of course for free. Below this video you can find this link. I will put this link below this video so you can visit and found a list of free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link or any link you want to get traffic. Traffic source number one, you can see US largest safe list. I will show you all this website so you can join and you can promote for free. Traffic source number two is the evolution mailer. You can find here party mailer, mailer cachine, speedy traffic mailer, worldwide mailer, guaranteed solo ads, safe list, Excel. All this traffic is solo ad, free solo ad that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Traffic pro list, ad pirate, the traffic secrets. You can find also your viral traffic. This is one of the best traffic. You can put your link. Let's visit. I will show you exactly. You can join for free. Then all you have to do is open emails that you will get from this website and you will earn credit. Then you can send your solo ads and get unlimited traffic. Also you can find Hitlib. This is a free traffic exchange. Hitlib 10k hits, traffic ad bar, traffic boost, traffic TrafApp, and you can find here traffic bonus. It's also solo ads, traffic exchange solo ads. The idea is to open emails and get credit. Then you can send your your link and you will get visitors guaranteed. You can find more free traffic, viral rotator. Let's visit viral rotator. You can put your link here. Okay, all you have to do is click one of these ads, let's say this, and you can type here your title, your website, and submit, and then you will get your link in this viral rotator website. Also you can find here free ad board. Let's visit. You can join for free, and all you have to do is put your link here and your your ad, your title here and your link here, and click submit. Then you will find your link here. You can see unlimited visitors visit this page, so you will get free visitors, free traffic. Also you have here million leads for free. You can visit. and the login, it's free. Okay, then you have here post to open contacts. You can post your link every 24 hours. Okay, I already put my links today, so I can't put right now. I have to wait to tomorrow, then I can put my link. This website have over 4 millions members, so you will get guaranteed visitors. Okay, you can found here my media ad. Also, you can post a new ad. It's free to join, and your ad will be here. Okay, this is a fantastic to promote your link. This is a free traffic. You can see people getting a lot of views. Okay, this is a free traffic. Okay, so if you want to use this traffic, I recommend to use all of these free solo ads and the free traffic exchange, and also this traffic. I will put this link below this video, so you can test it. You can join every website here, and you will get traffic even today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please hit like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.